Today we're going to learn the different ways you can use the type tool. There are two main ways. You can make single text like for a title, or you can make paragraph text. So to make single text, you just click one time and you'll see this thing that says Lorem Ipsum, and it doesn't really mean anything. It just is just saying, hey, this is going to be a filler text. We're just putting text in here just so you can see how your title will look once you have text there. So that's what the same thing is going to happen when we create a paragraph. So if I did the opposite, because remember with the title or the single text method, I just click one time. But with, oops, let's get out of that. But with the paragraph text, I just click and drag, and then we have some Lorem Ipsum text in there. So a few things I want to show you before we end this, because this is a short video. When I create this, sometimes it'll come in a little big. Let's say I had a bigger font. Sometimes it'll come in like this. And if that's the case, I want you to look at a few things before you move forward. Right here at this bottom right anchor, it has a plus sign inside of it. That means that the text is overflowing and that you can't see that there's more text inside this box. So the way that you make that text more visible is either you shrink the font size or you extend the box itself. So you can increase the size of the box, and when doing this, you can make all the text visible. And we talked about changing fonts and tracking, leading, kerning, all of that in the last video, so we don't have to go over that this time. So I'll see you in the next one.